In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your name in Calendly. Whether you're rebranding, updating personal information, or making any other changes, this process is straightforward and will just take a few minutes of your time. Let's dive right in. First things first, you need to head over to the Calendly homepage. This is your starting point where all the magic happens. Once you're there, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. You should see your profile icon there. Look for the drop-down menu next to the icon. Clicking on it will reveal a few more options. Once you have the drop-down menu open, you'll see an option labeled Profile. Go ahead and click on it. This is your access point to make personal changes, including changing your name. It's like the control center for your Calendly account, so take a moment to familiarize yourself with the different tabs and options available. After clicking on Profile, you'll be taken to the Personal Profile Settings page. This is where you can change your name to whatever you desire. Be sure that the name not only reflects your needs, but also aligns with how you wish to present yourself to your clients or colleagues. Once you've made your changes, scroll down the page to find the Save button. It's located towards the bottom, so don't worry if you can't see it right away. Just keep scrolling down until you do. Remember, saving your changes is crucial. If you navigate away from this page without saving, all the changes you've just made will not be applied, and you'll have to start the process all over again. Once you've located and clicked on the Save Changes button, congratulations! You've successfully changed your name on Calendly. This change will reflect on all your scheduled meetings and communications moving forward, making sure everything is up to date and accurate. On a final note, it's always a good idea to double-check your changes to ensure everything looks correct. Log out and log back in, or ask a colleague to confirm how your new name appears on shared links. This extra step can give you peace of mind that everything is in order as you intended. And there you have it, folks. A quick and easy guide to changing your name on Calendly. Thank you for following along. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials just like this one. See you next time.